Nature is a truly magnificent force. It is an endless source of beauty and inspiration. And one of the best ways to experience it is through hiking. Hiking is a great way to connect with nature and get some exercise at the same time. It allows you to explore new places, discover hidden gems, and take in breathtaking views. There's nothing quite like standing atop a mountain and feeling the majesty of nature all around you. And hiking isn't just about the destination, it's also about the journey. The act of hiking itself is a meditative experience that allows you to slow down, disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, and be present in the moment. Whether you're hiking alone or with friends and family, it's a chance to bond, share experiences, and make memories that will last a lifetime. So if you're looking for a way to disconnect, recharge, and experience the beauty of nature, hiking is the perfect way to do it. Get out there, explore, and see what wonders await.